Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. I am Dua, a consultant clinical psychologist. And today again, as you all know that I have started narcissistic abuse healing series. So today we'll be talking about the complex PTSD and depression that usually people face after narcissistic abuse and how to heal from it. So, have you ever felt judged or still hurting years after leaving a relationship? Even when others tell you you are free now. What if I tell you the primary pain you feel? The sadness, the confusion, the numbness isn't your weakness. It is your wound speaking, asking to be understood and healed. Today we talk about something that many feel but few can name, that is complex PTSD and depression after narcissistic abuse. And the secret to healing is, if you have ever wondered, why can't I move on? Why does my past still control me? And why do I feel broken even when I left them? So this video is for you. So what happened to you isn't simple. What you survived wasn't just a bad relationship. Narcissistic abuse is a kind of trauma that slowly erodes your soul. It tears your sense of reality, your self-worth, and your trust in others. And when this goes on for months or years, something deep inside you changes, and this is what psychologists call complex PTSD or CPTSD, trauma woven into nervous system. Okay, there are some term that we as psychologists use. Okay, in the other, you guys might be familiar with that. Okay. Now, the symptoms of CPTSD are emotional flashbacks, feeling numb or overwhelmed, or constant self criticism, and trouble trusting others. This isn't sadness, it's a reaction to emotional harm that rewires your nervous system. So, today I'll just keep on sharing some solutions. So, one of the micro solution I'll share with you is, number one is, today write down 3 ways narcissistic abuse changed how you see yourself. This is not about blame, it's about truth and clarity. Then, the depression that doesn't feel like a normal sadness. After abuse, depression doesn't feel like temporary sadness. It feels like a weight in your chest and like you are watching life happen to everyone else. You can survive day to day, but joy? What feels impossible? At time you start making a comparison about yourself and others. You start making comparisons about the relationships that others have. If one is having a good life, you still keep on thinking about all of these things. So I just say, like, depression is your mind saying, I tried to make sense of what happened to me and I failed. I tried to protect myself, but it wasn't enough. And I don't know who I am anymore. So solution number 2 is thought restructuring. Each time you hear I am worthless, pause and ask, is this 100% true? What evidence contradicts it? And then write one truth that supports your worth, even something small. And why narcissistic abuse hurts so deeply? Abuse from someone who should have loved you, cared for you, protected you, breaks something deep inside in belief system that once kept you safe, like trust, hope, and self-worth, get replaced with fear, doubt, and hypervigilance. The cycle of pain and occasional kindness, the good moments between the bad, creates what's called trauma bonding. You grew attached not because you choose to, but because your brain was trained to hope for safety that never came. So, solution number three is reality journal. Write events the way you experience them, not the way the abuse tried to make you believe. This rebuilds your sense of reality and one truth at a time. And now I would like to share some tools that actually can help you. Now we talk about how healing actually happens, and then there are evidence-based approaches that have helped thousands and move from pain towards peace. Like CBT, cognitive behavioral techniques, reframes harmful thoughts and give you power over your mind, not the other way around. And write one negative belief and replace it with a healthier. It is the true statement. Then EMDR, the reprocessing the painful memories. This works with how the brain stores trauma and reducing its emotional grip on you. Then mindfulness in breathing. This teaches you nervous system safety, something many survivors never learned. And then mini solution number four, breathe in for 4 counts and breathe out for 6. Like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and breathe out. And the power of connection. Okay? Uh, like repeating nervous system starts shifting your survival mode. Like you can just keep on repeating the, this breathing technique. Okay? Then pain shield is pain halved. Isolation deepens bonds and connections heals them. Survivors often feel alone, but support groups, trauma-aware therapists, or healing communities provide safety, validation, and understanding. Now, mini solution number 5 is draw a circle with you at the center and write the names of people you trust, even if it's just one. Tell them what you are going through. Vulnerability isn't a weakness, it's a strength in action. Then boundaries, your new compass. Boundaries are not walls. They are your compass towards emotional safety. And learn to say no to what drains you and protect your peace. This is self-respect in motion. If you keep on being really, helpful towards people, and at times, you also have to consider that who is standing with you, who is supporting you. And in most of the time you'll see like nobody is supporting you, no one is standing by your side, so learn to say no. So it will only respond to conversation where my feelings are respected. You just have to say it loud like 3 times. I will only respond to conversations where my feelings are respected. I will only respond to conversations where my feelings are respected. I will only respond to conversations where my feelings are respected. Okay? Then rebuilding your identity. Narcissistic abuse tries to take your identity, leaving behind pain, shame, and doubt. Eating leaves gives it back piece by piece. You are not who they told you were. You are the author of your own story now. So daily self-care plan. Schedule one activity this week that feeds your soul. Working, art, music, and journaling. Choose what lights you up. When you honor your needs, you reconnect with your true self. And healing isn't linear, it's courage in motion. Some days you feel strong, some days you feel weak. Healing doesn't mean forgetting, it means growing beyond what hurts you. And healing takes time, but every step forward, no matter how small, matters. Write a letter from the person you will be 6 months from now. And what words of love do they have for you? Keep it somewhere safe. So, I would just like to say to you is you are not broken, you are healing. You are not alone, not forgotten, not beyond hope. Okay? So comment what one thing that you are taking away. Try one of the tools this week and notice how you feel, and subscribe because you are going deeper together. Okay? Um, your past shaped you, but it does not define your future. Okay? So you are really a good person. Okay? You just have to think about yourself and think about the future in a really positive way. Okay? Just focus on your present. Okay? And try not to think about the past. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.